Yeah, hi everyone. Yeah, good morning. Yeah, myself, Obul Babu Kata. Okay. Yeah, yeah, Jyotika, I'm starting now. Okay.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Yeah. Right. Yeah, myself, Obul Babu Kata. I have nearly 15 years of experience in IT, and that means currently I am working as a RTech, that means cloud technologies. I worked in various technologies. That means my career started as a PHP developer. After that, That means after that I got a chance to work on a cloud technologies like O365 environment. That means 2014 to 2017, I worked as a O365 environment, SharePoint, off online, and also YAML, that means Teams, YAML, and Yammer is there. These are the cloud technologies. After that, 2017 mid, I got a chance to work on Azure and Azure DevOps. And that means, and also I have hands-on experience on AWS also, and that means GCP. And I worked with various projects in that one. Currently, I am working on a Artec in some product-based company. Okay, this is my introduction. Today we are going to discuss about Azure and Azure DevOps demo. Okay, this is a demo session which we are going to that means discuss about with a brief brief about our course curriculum, and also what are the patterns and syllabus we have to covered. These things we need to discuss in our in this 40 to 40 minutes of session. And before going to this one, mm, before going to introduce, that means our course, I would like to introduce about our Eloka, that means Eloka Institute. Eloka is established in a year 2017. We are into different domains, offering educations, digital marketing, and also information technology. Like that means various advanced technologies we are going to teach, and also as that means as an institution wanted to provide quality education with the placement assistant also is available here. And our classes are taught by dedicated and experienced educators, like as a highly qualified, and also who are working in IT industry only. And also using different strategies, our trainers make sure that every student finds a path to success, and our trainers care for each and every student technically growth, and also they will guide for successful career. Okay, this is about our Eloka Institute. And yeah, now I will give a brief introduction about that means we will start our our demo. uh, yeah, my voice is clear, right? Everyone, please confirm.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Okay, and also I will share my screen. Please confirm once you are able to see my screen. Okay, right. If you have any doubts now, please interact with me. Okay, and also yeah, before going to that means starting this one, could you please introduce yourself? That means only your education qualification and currently what you are doing. Okay, these things only. Yeah, could you please introduce yourself? Pawan Raju.
Yes, sir. My name is Pawan, sir.
Yeah, hi Pawan. Yeah.
I'm currently working in Accenture, sir.
Uh,
I have 1 year of experience in cloud operations role, sir.
mhm.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
That's
very
it.
good. Present working in which technology?
Middleware, sir. Like IIS and H proxy web servers.
Oh, good. Right. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thanks for
Thanks.
your valuable information. And others like John.
Good morning, sir. Myself, John Vinitkar. Presently, I'm working in the railways, sir, Indian Railways, as a junior engineer. Actually, I came to this session regarding to my wife. Actually, she is an MSc mathematician, and she wants to start her career in
IT.
software. So that's
Okay.
why I came here.
Okay. Okay. Your wife also is there, or you only hearing this demo session?
Only myself, sir. She went
Yes.
to college. Actually, she's working as assistant professor.
Oh, good, good, great, great. Okay. And she is passed out?
She's passed out in 2016, sir.
16 itself. Okay,
Yes.
very nice, very nice. No issues. Yeah, yeah. Thank you. Thanks for sharing the information. And Vijay Kumar.
Sir, Vijay Kumar is right now in the office session, sir. He can't able to speak.
Okay. Okay. And Jyotika, right?
Yeah, myself, Jyotika, sir. I was completed pharmacy.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm interested to
Okay.
do in IT.
Okay. 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 Thank you very much. Yeah. Right. Okay, guys. Yeah. Today we will discuss about that means I will give a brief introduction about these are the components like that means what is the cloud computing or cloud technology, and also along with that one I will that means what is the traditional infrastructure scaling, and also what are the different types of cloud computing providers we are having, and also cloud service models and introduction to Azure. Okay, Azure and Azure DevOps. These are the concepts I am going to discuss today in this session. Okay, yeah, I think you know very well that is that means nowadays everywhere we are able to heard about this cloud computing. Am I correct? What is your understanding about this cloud computing? Anyone, please confirm. Anyone? So I think you people are having some idea, and also you are that means you, and I think you are also gone through some other videos or some other sites or something, and also every day we are interacting with the cloud computing, that means cloud technologies only. Okay, you have any idea, could you please share to me those things? Then only I will get some idea about your knowledge, that means where you are, this type of information. Could you please share, guys? Yeah.
Like cloud computing is a on-demand availability of cloud services,
Mm-hmm.
like server storage,
Mm-hmm.
network
Exactly.
over the internet.
Very nice. Very nice. Yeah. And remaining persons? Okay. Okay. I will give a general definition for this cloud computing. Okay. We are having, that means this is that means cloud and computing. It's a combination of two words, right? One is cloud and another one is computing. What is meaning of cloud? Why we are using nowadays this cloud technology only? It's a cloud, right? In Telugu, we will call it as a megal, right? If suppose someone is asking now, that means if someone is talking about this cloud, immediately we will see in a sky only. Means it's a far away to us. That means we are not able to touch this cloud, right? Same as here in at the time of that means we introduced the cloud computing, it's a virtually and remotely actually. And remotely we are going to utilize the computing services. What are those computing services? Just now our Pawan explained about already. He said few things about the computing services. Those computing services are nothing but there are networking, web apps, web applications, hmm, analysis, databases, storage, virtual machines. Okay, 1 minute, guys. Okay, and also some other, sorry guys, I have one urgent deployment is there actually, but I am continuing here only. Okay, sorry for the interruption. Okay, right, these are the different types of computing services. That means virtually and remotely we are going to utilize the computing services. Okay, these are the services which we are having. Not only these things, number of services are providing this computing technology. Okay, this cloud computing is a very basic to the all other cloud providers and these things. Okay, here only they are defining the all services. That means some models, some providers, and that means deploying models. Then that means in this level only they define those definitions are applicable for each and every providers. Okay, this is the main. That means via internet only we are able to utilize the all these services with pay as you go method. Guys, please confirm, are you able to follow up? This is the very general definition for the cloud computing. Okay, first they introduced as cloud computing. Under that one only that means they introduced so many cloud providers, cloud service models, cloud deployment models, like this. Okay, now first thing, no, any, that means who all are the providers for cloud? Any idea, guys?
AWS, Azure, GCP.
AWS is which one? Who is the provider for that one? AWS? Amazon, right? And Azure?
Microsoft.
GCP.
And
GCP. Google Cloud
platform.
provider. Okay, what is Google one? Google's only that one. Okay, Google product only, that means provider only. Okay, and IBM. There are so many providers are there. IBM is there, Oracle is there, Alibaba is there, Digital Ocean is there, and also Digital Ocean, and also VMware. There are so many, that means providers are available in market actually. Okay, but very famous is
AWS, Azure.
okay, this is Digital Ocean actually. Okay, AWS and Azure and GCP. Okay, maximum first place now we are going to give a AWS, and second place is Azure, and third place is GCP. Why? Because you know very well, Amazon and Microsoft and Google, they are having a number of data centers. That is the main reason, and also they are providing number of services also. Okay, sometimes Azure is the first place in the market. Sometimes AWS is the first place in the market. Okay, that is vice versa only. But after that means nowadays Google cloud provider also, GCP also become a very famous nowadays. Okay, because of that features and services they are providing, depends on that one only. It will be that will be changes actually. Okay, the main definition for the cloud computing is, that means remotely or virtually or remotely we are going to utilize the computing services. Those services are networking, web applications, analysis, databases, storage, virtual machines, and so on, via internet with pay as you go method. This is the definition for cloud computing. Same, this definition is applicable for all the cloud providers. Remember, guys. Okay, all the cloud providers are same definition will be applicable for all the cloud providers. Okay, under this cloud computing only, they introduce a few service models, deployment models are there. Okay, nowadays we are able to hear about this cloud computing. What about earlier days in traditional? What about in earlier? 1 minute, guys. Any idea? in earlier, that means olden days, that means 5 years back or 3 years back, how they are maintaining before this cloud computing?
On premises.
Exactly. Data centers are on premises, right? On premises. Okay, what is the difference between these two, on premises and data centers? That means I'm saying on premises or data center or cloud computing. Okay, this is a traditionally means olden days we are going to utilize, we are utilized these services on premises or data means physically that servers are appear. Okay, give me 1 minute, I will complete my activity and then we will 1 minute only. Sorry guys. Okay, see, I will give a one small example for that one. If suppose in data centers are nothing, but if suppose you can imagine, you have a like your own, that means any personal images like excursion images or your data like as a resume or your the certificates. Okay, in olden days where we are, that means olden days in the sense of past 3 years back, where you are storing all those things. If suppose I want to save my documents, okay, where I am saving all those things, please interact with me, then only I will get
Data
some.
center, sir.
Exactly. That means how you are saving your content in pen drives, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, pen drive in the sense physically we are able to hold that one, right? There only we are going to save our content like as a resumes or any pictures, any videos or any audios, anything. Okay, pen drives, cd, floppy disks, cd compact disks are there, and also some other external hard disks are there, right? In olden days, that means a few years back we are storing like that, and but nowadays also we are going to, but we need to purchase that one, right? We need to purchase that one, and also it occupies some place also, and also we need to take care about that one also, right? But nowadays you can see where we are storing our content
Cloud.
in cloud level, right? Which type of cloud? That one, Google Drive, right? Nowadays we are using G Drive and OneDrive, Dropbox. Means there is no need to, only internet is enough for that one, and also with the how much content, that means how much data it consists of, no, you can pay for that one only. At the time of creating the Gmail, no, they are giving the 15 GB, right? At the time of if suppose you people are having the Gmail account, okay, they will provide a 15 GB free. Once it is exceeded, they will charge for that one. If suppose you want to 5 GB, you can purchase 5 GB for that, 200 or 300 per month. Otherwise quarterly 500 rupees for 15 GB or something. Okay, we need to purchase, that means pay as you go, how much content, how much space, how much storage you want to utilize, you can purchase that one, right? That means pay as you go method via internet only. Okay, and also that too, these things, that means that content is in virtually and remotely only we are able to storage, that means cloud level only we are storing our content, right? But nowadays, no, see, we are not, we are, that means if suppose I want to establish a small scale industry, that means small project or something. Okay, at the time of that means running that project, that business, no, compulsory I need a one website. If suppose www.eloka.com. Okay, this type of website I want to before going to release this one in market, I want to maintain some infrastructure. Am I correct? Guys, please confirm. Before going to release my product into the market, compulsory I want to maintain one infrastructure, right?
Yes, sir.
Infrastructure. And also we need to maintain a power, AC, network, softwares, hardwares and resources. That too, next cables, some other, that means, and also rooms, infrastructure, everything we need to invest money here, right? Investing the money here, right? We are going to invest money here first. After that, we need to, that means resources, depends on the resources we are, so depends on the platform, we will implement that particular application. After that only we are going to release that into a market, right? But nowadays you can see GoDaddy sites are able to heard about, you heard about that GoDaddy sites, guys?
Yes, sir.
GoDaddy, what is that use? What is the use of that one?
They have to purchase domain names.
Okay, purchase the domains, right?
Yes.
Which is maintained by GoDaddy. Cloud level only they are maintaining, right?
Yes.
That means how many emails you want, how much content, which database you want to use. These are all the things we need to maintain there, right?
Yes.
Exactly. Same here. After that only we are going to release this one. Suppose, okay, 2007, 2015, I established that company. Okay, I established, and now it, that means after 2 years, no, that means I started with a 2000, that means 200 employees. Okay, 200 employees. After it's become a famous, and now we are having a 2000 employees. Okay, here if suppose it is consists of some data centers. Okay, we have started with only 3 servers. Okay, after increasing the number of clients, no, then we need again few more servers, right? Few more servers I need to add. Why? Because performance, if you are not adding, the performance issues will be raised. For what is the performance issues? You know very well. In olden, that means 3 years or 5 years back, no, so suppose any results are coming, on that time what will happen? That means that internet centers, no, they are telling, yeah, it's a that server is down, that the page is loading. Okay, these type of issues we are able to see in olden days, right? Guys, are you able to follow up?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes, same thing. That means here we, for to avoid those things, no, compulsory we need to add a few more servers like this.
Yes.
Okay, again I want to purchase all these things. Again I need to invest money here. And also what are how many servers, no, softwares and hardwares and resources, everything I need to take care about all those things, right?
Yes, sir.
Everything I need to take care about those things. And again 2019 and something, no, something corona or something, my business became down. Okay, and again I got a 200 employees, that means 200 clients only. On that time, what about these extra servers? All are wastage process, no? But I invested money already here, but these all are wastage. And also I need to that means maintenance. Every time I need to upgrade those things. Okay, I need to take care about all those things, that servers and everything, right? That is the main drawback of while compared to the cloud computing. That means cloud computing and traditional infrastructure. Okay, that is the main. Here now everything is taken care about by particular providers. That means Amazon or Microsoft or Google or something. Okay, 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. 1 minute. Sorry, guys. I need to this one. Okay. Okay, right. Sorry, guys. Yeah, actually, my teammates are in vacation. Actually, that's the reason I am doing all these things. Okay, right. Is it clear, guys? This one, is it clear? In what difference between cloud computing and
Yes,
this
sir.
on-premises level? Olden days, how they are maintaining. That means you need to purchase each and everything like that. Here, no, though only you can pay for that one, and then you can utilize those things only. That means whatever it may be, to consider networking or web applications or any analysis or databases or storages or virtual servers, anything. Okay, here in this cloud computing level only, they have introduced a few services are there. Okay, cloud services are there. Those are yes, yes, SaaS. Yes is nothing but these are the services provided by the cloud level, but it is applicable to all the providers only. All the providers, that AWS, uh, Azure, GCP, IBM, Digital Ocean, anyone, Alibaba, anyone is using the same services only. IaaS is nothing but a infrastructure as a service. Okay, this one, no, it's like as a new flat, like as a, if suppose independent house, everything we need to, that means all the amenities, no, all the amenities uh, we need to purchase, like as a computers, networks, like virtual machines and storage, operating system, IP addresses, everything we need to take care about in infrastructure as a service level. Maximum administrators are that means if suppose you are working as an administrator, we will call it as a IaaS, infrastructure as a service. Okay, admins will be, that means there is no code. Okay, here there is no code is involving. Now PaaS is nothing but it's a semi furniture like that. That means already existing, that means existing amenities are there. That means like as a, at the time of creating, that means developers are involving here. That means here web applications is written in a .NET, Java, Node.js, Python, any of that means already that means if suppose you can take any organization or any project, already it is developed with a some other platform. That platforms are, that means programming languages like as a .NET or Java, Node.js or Python, Ruby. There are so many languages are there. We need to, that means as per the client interest, we will work on that one. Okay, there is a passive platform as a service where the customization is involved here. Okay, like storages, databases also is there. There are so many things are there in this PaaS level. And after that we are having a SaaS service also introduced by cloud level. Okay, SaaS is nothing but a software as a service. Software as a service means it's a ready-made, actually it's a ready-made, like as a O365. You have any idea about O365, guys? O365, have you heard about that one? O365. guys? Have you heard about that one? O365? Guys, please confirm. Hello? Hello? Yeah, Pawan? Yeah, this is the, that means if suppose Salesforce, instantly that application is produced and then we are able to utilize that apps actually. That is nothing but software as a service, O365 environment. And also some Dropbox, Slack. Okay, these all are the already implemented. There is no need to implement anything. Only directly we are able to utilize those applications. We will call it as a SaaS service. These are the services provided by cloud level. Okay, these are the, and also few more are also is there. That is backup as a service and security as a service. But these three are the main cloud services. Cloud services. Okay, right. Okay, this is the introduction about the cloud computing and different services. Okay, today that means we will wind up here only. Yeah, could you please let me know if you have any doubts or any clarifications you need? Hello, yeah, Jyotika. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, hi Pawan. Yeah.
Yeah. Hi, sir.
Yeah, please. That means that demo is over. Could you
Okay,
please
sir.
let me know if you have any doubts or something? No?
సార్ ఇప్పుడు ఈ కోర్సులో లైక్
Telugu,
అడ్మిన్ అండ్
okay.
సార్
Very good.
అడ్మిన్ అండ్ డెవప్స్ రెండు కవర్ చేస్తారా సార్ ఈ కోర్సులో?
అవును. I will share my screen. Already I shared my screen.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes, see, this is my content. That means which I am going to explain. Okay. First, the introduction. Okay, that is very basic. And these are the concepts. That means I am going to cover actually Azure level. Okay. These are the main, and every time we are interacting these services only. Okay, that's the reason I kept all those things. After that, full-fledgedly Azure DevOps level we have all the features of Azure DevOps, and what is that means in both ways. That means scripting also is there, and also classical is there. That means step-by-step procedure. I will cover both the ways. Yeah.
Okay,
And
sir.
also one mini project also we will do that one.
Okay, sir. In resume we can put this project as we have done like that. అంటే ఇప్పుడు మా రెజ్యూమ్ లో మేము చేసామని చెప్పి పెట్టొచ్చు కదా సార్? అంటే లైక్
పెట్టేసుకోవచ్చు
ప్రెజెంట్ కంపెనీలో
పెట్టొచ్చు, ఏం ప్రాబ్లం లేదు.
ఓకే. దట్టు నేను అజూర్ సర్టిఫికేషన్స్ చేశాను సార్, 900 and 104 కూడా.
గ్రేట్.
ప్రెజెంట్ నేను ఉన్న టీమ్ లో పెద్ద వర్క్ ఉండట్లేదు సార్, అందుకు ఖాళీగా ఉండడం ఎందుకు అని చెప్పి నేర్చుకున్నాను.
అంతేనండి. ఇప్పుడు ప్రెసెంట్ అందరూ అలాగే చేస్తున్నారు. ఎందుకంటే ఒక్క నిమిషం స్టాప్ చేస్తాను రికార్డింగ్.